Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Istiqomah with NPM 224112111 from Management 22 B class. Here I will discuss of capital structure analysis. Capital structure analysis. Definition of capital structure. Capital structure refers to the combination of different sources of capital used by a company to finance its operations and investment. It represents the way a company funds its activities through a mix of equity or ownership shares, such as common and preferred stock, and debt borrowed funds, such as loans, bonds, and other forms of borrowing. A company's capital structure is a critical financial decision, as it affects its financial risk, cost of capital, and overall financial health. By determining the right balance between equity and debt, a company aims to optimize its capital structure to achieve its financial goals, such as maximizing shareholder value or minimizing the cost of funds. Next, importance of capital structure analysis. 1. Optimal financing. Understand how analysis capital structure helps companies determine the most efficient ways to finance their operations and investment. 2. Risk assessment. Explore how capital structure analysis helps evaluate financial risk and guide decision-making to ensure adequate risk management. 3. Investor perspective. Learn how an in-depth capital structure analysis provides valuable insight to investors, helping them make informed investment decisions. Next, financial risk. Financial risk refers to the potential for financial losses or adverse outcome due to uncertainty and variability in a company's or an individual's financial position. It is an inherent part of financial decision-making and is often associated with investment, borrowing, and other financial activities. 1. Market risk. This type of risk is associated with the impact of market fluctuation, such as change in interest rates, exchange rates, commodity price, and stock market movements. Market risk can affect the value of financial assets and liabilities and lead to potential losses. 2. Credit risk. Credit risk, also known as default risk, arises when a borrower fails to meet their financial obligation and agreed upon in a contract. It is particularly relevant in lending and investing, where creditors or investors face the risk of not receiving the expected repayments or returns. 3. Liquidity risk. Liquidity risk relates to a company's or individual's ability to meet short-term financial obligations. It occurs when there is a shortage of cash or easily marketable assets to cover immediate expense, such as debt payment or operating costs. 4. Operating risk. Operational risk stems from inadequate or failed internal processes, system, or human error that can lead to financial losses. This includes errors in accounting, fraud, technology failures, and regulatory compliance issues. 5. Strategic risk. Strategic risk is associated with the potential financial consequence of poor decision making, such as entering new markets, launching the new product, or other strategic move that do not yield the expected financial result. Next, cost of capital comparison. 1. Debt financial. Explore the advantage and disadvantage of debt financial and how it affects the cost of capital for companies. 2. Equity financing. Discover the pros and cons of equity financing and its impact on the cost of capital compared to debt financing. 3. Optimal mix. Understand the importance of striking the right balance between debt and equity financing to optimize the cost of capital. Factors affecting capital structure. Business risk. Explore how business risk influence capital structure decisions and how to evaluate and manage it effectively. Market conditions. Learn how market conditions impact capital structure decisions and how companies adapt to changing economic environment. Grow opportunities. Discover the relationship between capital structure and growth opportunities, and how companies strike and balance between investment and existing operations. Types of capital structure. 1. Highly leveraged. Explore highly leveraged capital structure and the associated risk, benefit, and impact on shareholder value. 2. Conservative. Learn about conservative capital structure, their characteristics, and why companies may choose a more cautious financing approach. 3. Optimal. Discover the concept of an optimal capital structure and its factors. Understand how companies aim for the right mix of debt and equity to minimize value. Next, effect on stock value. Explore how a capital structure change impact the value of a company's stock. Understand the relationship between capital structure, risk, and shareholder returns. The effect on stock value can be caused by a variety of factors, including company performance, industry events, and market sentiment. Change in company profit, economic news, and company development can affect stock price. Next, methods of capital structure analysis. 1. Debt ratio analysis. Learn how analyze the debt ratio of a company profit, insight into its capital structure and financial health. 2. EBIT/EPS analysis. Discover how earning before interest and taxes, or EBIT, and earning per share, or EPS, analysis contribute to capital structure evaluate. 3. Peer comparison. Understand the importance of benchmarking a company's capital structure against its industry peers to gain valuable insight and identify areas for improvement.